Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're talking about 3 pros and 3 cons of eucalyptus essential oil. Before we get started in talking about eucalyptus, I have to share something very exciting. This is like the advent calendar of my dreams. This is the Simply Earth 12 Days of Christmas Advent. So it just came out and this is brand new this year. It's $100. You get 12 essential oils, which when you break that down, it's really a great deal. So each day you open one of these little drawers. It's so cute. And there is an essential oil in each one. Also, I have a coupon code that if you use my code and purchase this, you get my favorite stone diffuser from them for $50. It's normally $80. This is really exciting. Check this out. I'll put the link to Shop Simply Earth down in the description of this video, and let me know if you're as excited as I am about this. Keep all the chocolate, give me the oils. Quick reminder before we get started, I have recently launched my courses, which are just like an ultimate guide on a very specific thing. So far I have hormones, dogs and oils, and aromatic families and blending. And so think of it as everything you need to know packed into one PDF, digital file for you to download and have forever. And these are available on my Stan store, and I will link that down below in the description. Okay, so 3 pros and 3 cons of eucalyptus essential oil. I do believe I have an entire video on eucalyptus. There are different varieties of eucalyptus. They all have similar benefits. This one's Eucalyptus radiata. I'll try to link that video down below too. Sorry if this is backwards. Still working on figuring out this new camera. Okay, so eucalyptus we all know is like invigorating. It's like the oil our go-to when we are sick. It's for congestion. And it smells so good. I love putting a drop on my shower. That was actually one of the very first ways I used essential oils. I love real eucalyptus, like stems of eucalyptus. I picked those up from the farmer's market this summer and loved that. A lot of people hang eucalyptus in their shower. But it's just like it smells so good, and it's like soothing, and there are lots of therapeutic benefits. In these videos, I'm already rambling, I feel like, but I try to keep them pretty short, 3 pros, 3 cons, just to kind of give you like some quick fun facts, I guess, about each oil. So pro number 1 is respiratory benefits. It has constituents in it that will help, eucalyptol, that'll help when you're congested, when you need to open your airways and need help breathing, basically. And you can just feel it going all the way down into your like chest. It feels so good. I love eucalyptus. In ways to use that in a steamer or in a diffuser, when you are when you have like a humidifier, put like a rag right here with some eucalyptus on it. Like steam and eucalyptus in combination with each other are amazing when you're sick. What else does it say? So cold sinusitis. This blog post will have all of this plus links to shop and things like that. But allergies, other respiratory issues that affect your breathing. Pro number 2 is antimicrobial benefits. A lot of essential oils have antimicrobial properties. This one's super powerful in that way, making it natural effective for disinfecting surfaces, purifying the air. So when you're diffusing in your diffuser, add it to cleaning supplies, cleaning DIYs, like countertop cleaner. Pro number 3 is it's really beneficial in pain relief. So the way that I like to use it for this is to make like a balm or a lotion or a massage oil for after working out with some peppermint, maybe copaiba for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. But this has the analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties, which make it great for applying to your muscles or any kind of soreness that you have, like musculoskeletal type of soreness that you have, arthritis. It's also great in headache roller. Make a roller with some lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, maybe even some copaiba again, and just roll on the halo of your head, around your neck. It's really great for that. Another way to get those kinds of benefits is to add it to a bath. So aromatic baths are really great for all kinds of different things, but especially if you have sore muscles. So make like an Epsom salt bath, dilute your essential oil before putting in the bath, but adding eucalyptus to that is just amazing. Not only does it smell good, and that's going to help open your airways too, but just like all of those other pros. Okay, so on to the cons. Con number 1 is skin sensitivity. So this is very potent, kind of in the way that tea tree, peppermint are. Those are like super powerful, potent essential oils. So it could cause like dermal sensitivity if you put it on undiluted. You want to avoid eucalyptus around the nose and mouth area, especially undiluted, but also when diffusing in children 5 and under. Just err on the side of caution too. So extra dilute. Like we made like a chest rub, and that was okay. It was very heavily diluted, but just under 5, you want to be extra careful, especially with this essential oil. Number 2, it is toxicity risk for pets. The same way, just err on the side of caution. If you're diffusing around a pet, make sure it's like 1 drop, a very minimal amount, and allow the pet to leave the room if they want to. And with every essential oil, it's super important to keep out of reach of children and pets. Accidents are the biggest reasons that we get those reports, right? So like a toxicity report or something bad happened, it's when like a pet or a child gets into and drinks an essential oil, which is no bueno. And con number 3 is potential respiratory irritation. So again, it's mostly in extra sensitive, elderly, or super young children. Make sure you're erring on the side of caution, using in very low concentrations. And when diffusing, don't continuously diffuse for 8 hours. Make sure you're doing it intermittently, just to give breaks and to check to see if you're going to have any adverse reactions. So in conclusion, we love eucalyptus essential oil. It's super beneficial, super potent and powerful. It can do so many different things, but using it properly, correctly, and safely is really key with this one, especially since it has the constituent, the cineol, and the eucalyptol. Those are just like super powerful, especially for sensitive people. Again, make sure you check out Simply Earth's exciting Advent box of oils, 12 Days of Christmas. I'll put the link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.